Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change YouTube banner on mobile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on your channel, and here you need to click on this pencil icon. So once you are here, you simply need to click on this camera icon on the top right, and here you can see two options: take a photo, choose from your photos. So it is up to you. If you want to choose from your photos, click here and you can select any random photo. So I'm going to select this one, and here you can simply select and click on save. So once you click on save, your banner will be changed for your YouTube channel. So this is a process by which you can change your YouTube banner on mobile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.